watch out for ticks real good. But I'm not saying that having ticks on your body is real good. I'm just saying it's real good if you check for them. So there's this big hill jump thing over there. Yeah. And we are going to be jumping over it. Woo! Look at that grasshopper, guys. Oh, and I see this big daddy longlegs. Where? It's a really cool pathway. Oh, it's gonna like dead end right here. Woo! Yeah. Who is that? Oh, Steve Irwin, the crocodile hunter. Everything gets to us. Yeah. Woo! By the way, we saw these. And we see something. There's a very dark place coming on. Oh, yeah! Man, right into the dark spot. Man. Oh, man. We have never been back here before. We don't even know where this is. I'm looking on the ground for black widows. No. Ah! That's a wriggly thingy right there, right there. I'm looking on the ground for black widows. Oh my gosh, I think it's a dead end. Go faster. No. Oh my gosh, look at all the shells here. Look at all these shells. There's like 1 million shells down here. Look at them. Over 1 million, you know. Maybe that's where all the snails get all of their shells because they need a new one. Yeah, they lost their shells. I think slugs are snails with no shell. I think I heard something, but I think it was just a bug. No, I saw it. Me too. It was like right over by that pot. Guys, I think there's a trail that goes over there. Yeah. These are big trees. Maybe I should climb this tree. Here, hold this, Beckett. Yeah. So, this so happens that it is a dead end over there and stuff. So we're just gonna turn around. Get slugs. Container the slugs. Go back here. Put them in the shells. Oh, another one of those spiky things right there. Yeah. They're very fascinating, but very pokey and very dangerous. This bee's eating a grasshopper. Maybe.
Oh, he's grumpy. He's grumpy.
Oh, he's mad. Crikey, he's grumpy.
Whoops. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Crikey, he's grumpy. Yeah.
This is a different one.
No,
I think he's eating the head of the grasshopper.
Oh,
yeah, look.
Yeah. He is really mad.
You can see the antennae at the grasshopper's head. Just munching on it.
Man, gone.
Equally no money.
Baby, I see an ant. But it's fly. If it flies over, it's gonna fly. And guess what? The ant's not in the camera, but whatever. Yeah, pick it up and throw it in there.
Wow, he's really going to town.
Is the head almost
Stop
gone?
leaning on my knee.
But is the head almost gone? Well, he's not eating it, basically. Just expect expecting.
All right, enough of that.
Hey guys, you know what? What you're looking right now at? The vomit view. You know what I call the vomit view? The pathway to the color of vomit. There's these cool milkweeds. Don't touch them because they're spiky. But if you can see, well, I won't touch them. Just get something like a stick, flower, you can see around. Okay, I hope you guys had fun going on a nature walk with us. So we're gonna say bye now. Bye. Bye.